Hello and welcome to our today's music lesson. Today we are going to be looking at grouping music notes in 2/4 time. Now when we talk about 2/4 time, this is a time where we represent two crotchet beat values in every bar. So we are going to group this using bar lines, and in every bar we are going to have two crotchet beat values. Remember, a crotchet is one beat, but in this case we shall be needing two beats for each and every bar. So to our first example here, we are going to start by knowing the value of each and every note that we have here, so that we are able to group them accordingly. So to our first note here, we have a crotchet. A crotchet is one beat. The second note is a crotchet is one beat. We need two beats, so 1 and 1 makes 2. So here I have a bar line. Here I have a half beat, another half beat. Two halves make one. A half beat, two other halves make one, and the two will make two beats. So here I have another bar line. So a quiver is a half beat. That's why two quivers will make one beat, and the four of them will make two beats. At the end here I have a minim. A minim alone is two beats. So that has its own bar, and because it is the end of the bar, we have double bar line. To our second example, it's still in 2/4 time. We start with the minim, which is two beats. We have said when we have two beats, we have a bar line. We have a crotchet, one beat. Another crotchet is one beat. 1 and 1 make 2. We have a bar line. Have a quiver, which is a half. Another quiver, a half. The two make 1. A crotchet here will make 1. 1 and 1 will make 2. I will have a bar line here. The end here I have a quiver, which is a half. Another half. Two halves will make 1. A half. Another half. Two halves make 1. 1 and 1 make 2. At the end we have a double bar line. To our third example, still in 2/4 time, we start with a crotchet. A crotchet is one beat. Then there is a quiver, a half. Another quiver, it is a half beat. A half and half make 1. 1 and 1 will make 2 beats. So here we have a bar line. Next we have a quiver, which is a half. Another quiver is a half. Half and half make 1. A quiver, a half. Another half. A half and half make 1. 1 and 1 will make 2. We have a bar line. Next, what we have here is a minim. The value of a minim is 2 beats. So a minim is 2, and after 2 beats we shall have a bar line. At the end we have a crotchet with 1 beat, another crotchet 1 beat, 1 and 1 make 2, and finally we have a double bar line. So when it comes to grouping music notes using bar lines in 2/4 time, we have 2 crotchet beats for every bar, and after that we have a bar line. And never forget that at the end of every bar we should always have a double bar line. That's why for our 3 examples we have had double bar lines at the end. And that is how we group music notes in 2/4 time. Thank you.